Hello YouTube friends. I haven't done an unboxing video in a while because I usually can't wait to tear off all the stuff and look at the bags, but I thought it might be fun today. I haven't gotten a new bag for a little bit, so I mean a normal size bag. So I decided to pick this one because it's different than anything that I currently have, and I really like how classic and kind of ladylike it is. When I first saw this bag, my first thought was it reminded me a lot of Birkin type styling. And so I'm hoping that it's as cute after I unwrap it as it looked online. This is the STACI medium satchel, and I got it from the Kate Spade outlet site. I originally wanted to get the Kate Spade Toujours bag. I know a lot of people have raved about that one, but there were certain elements about it I didn't really care for, and so when I went on the other site, the outlet site, I think it's surprise.katespade.com, I found this one and liked it a lot better, and I especially really like the color of this one. It's in let's see, Dusk City, yeah, Dusk City I think it's called. And so like I said, this is the STACI bag, and it was one of those deals where you also, called a bundle deal, you get a matching wallet, and both are discounted, so that it's like you get a discount on the bag plus a free wallet essentially. So let's see what these look like. Since I have the wallet in my hand, I'll open that up first, and this says what the name is, Dusk City something, small L-zip bifold wallet, and this is also called the STACI. I think the color name is Dusk Cityscape. Oh, that's a nice wallet. I like that size. This is in like the Saffiano leather, the little logo, and it's got the window in the back, just like your traditional little card holder type wallets. Let's see what the zipper's like. Zipper's gold, says Kate Spade on it. Very cute. And then you just have this little area here for cash and coins. Does it unsnap? Yeah. And then you unsnap it and you have all these areas and a spot for your bills. That's really cute. I like that. Let's see what the normal price of this is. Oh, it's not on here. Well, it's a mystery, but I'm sure you could look it up. Don't think it's on here either. This is just the care card. Well, that's cute. I like that wallet. It's actually very nicely made. I thought for the freebie it was not going to be good, but it's a little bit bigger than I thought, and I love that color. It's just kind of like a dark taupe. Very pretty. Okay, let's see the bag. Wrapped nicely. They just had some paper in here. So this is the STACI medium satchel. Ooh, I really like it. Look at that. Very pretty. It's got feet on the bottom, little tiny feet. Oh, it's beautiful. I really like it. So let me take off some of this unwrapping, and then I'll be back to show you a tour of the bag. Okay, I am back. So they really aren't playing with the wrapping. It was so much nicer than most bags I've gotten from, especially Coach, which I'm not really buying much of now because I don't like the way they handle their bags. The customer spends good money on them and they kind of just toss them in a box and send them on their way, and the boxes always collapse. This one was nice, so I'm very happy with that. So this bag has top handles, and it's got a nice big pocket in the front, which surprised me. And then here's the side. I'll give you the dimensions too. This is 8.62 high, 10.87 wide, and 5 inches in depth. That's from their website. And then the back of it has a smaller, like a phone pocket, so it doesn't go all the way across like the front. And it does have a shoulder strap. It does come with a shoulder strap, which is really nice. Long shoulder strap. It's adjustable. I haven't taken that out of the wrappings yet. And then the inside of it, here's one of the reasons why I bought this one instead of the Toujours. This one has a zippered closure at the top, which I really like. I don't like my bags to be wide open. The Toujours, I think, has like a center zip area, but then the rest of it is just wide open. Kind of how my Mina is. And this one reminds me a lot of an old Kate Spade bag I got in like, geez, I want to say like 2004. Really similar. So you've got the zipper top, and then once you open it, the zippers lay down nicely inside, so you can leave it open if you want to. I don't know if you could see that, but there's a nice size zippered pocket in the back, and then on the other side you have another nice sized slip pocket. That is really cute. And then this has one of those zippers, whoops, that can come out if you want to open it more, but I usually leave those tucked in. And that's just got the Spade lining. And one of the other things I like about this bag, because you can wear it just open with the zipper folded down. I think that is so nice. That's really helpful. But you can open up these. See? They just pop open and you can expand it. And that's what I mean about it reminding me kind of a Birkin, the way it acts. So that is really cute. And then it's more like a little tote type of thing. And then you've got the diagonally placed little hooks here, or little, I don't know, little catches here for the crossbody strap or the shoulder strap. Very nice. It's not as lightweight as I thought it would be. It's pretty light, but I like it. It's just basic. It has very minimal gold hardware on it, so it's not flashy, but it's comfortable, and it's a really nice, it says medium, but to me this is a pretty small bag, but I think it'll carry a lot. So I look forward to using it, and then I will definitely update you guys with another video to show what I can carry in my bag. But that's good. And let's make sure the die lot was the same for these. It was. Look at that. Matches nicely. And it's a really good sized wallet for the smaller type bag. It's right in there. Great. Okay. So this is the Kate Spade STACI with an I medium satchel. And the color is, I think it's Dusk Cityscape. I think that's what it was called. And it's in the Saffiano or cross grain type leather. Very nice. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe. Until next time.